Hey guys, I got my V-Tool Magic Sound headphones today from the Amazon. I'm going to do the unboxing of these. This is the package which I have received today. Let's unwrap it. So, the V-Tool Wireless Earbuds. Okay, comes with the case. So 2 earbuds. Okay, so it has the earplug. I think these are the noise cancelling. Having the noise cancelling, the design is pretty good. So the case design is similar to like the Dell having the gaming laptop as Alienware. So it has a similar design, quite small, which can easily fit in the pocket. It has the USB-C charging. It comes along with the USB-C cable, which is now these days pretty common and can be used across the Android phones. So this can be leveraged onto the phone charging as well, or the phone charging cable can be leveraged to charge these. Okay, so this is all about the unboxing of these magic sounds from the retail. I will post another videos with the sound quality and other features. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.
Sí, para no se la dañe, pero y lo esconde como
Ya, cumpliste.
Tiene un conector tipo C para la conexión. It's an excellent product.